This is a good fortune spell, and I'm going to show you how to make it. In this video, we are going to make a charm bag for luck, wealth, and prosperity. What you will need for this simple yet very useful fortune spell is the sage or anything else to smudge your space, then a small sachet to hold your spell ingredients and seal the magic. You're gonna also need a cinnamon stick. Cinnamon stick is for attraction, success, and fast results. In witchcraft, it is like a booster. Also, you're going to need some bay leaves. Bay leaves are used for wishes, abundance, and protection. In this spell, we're going to use 3 of them. If you want, you can write something on these leaves, preferably with green color, because the green color attracts magic and money. For the final touch, you are going to need 3 coins that you will put it in your bag. First thing you need to do is to clean the space you're working on. You can use sage, or you can use Palo Santo. Smudge the cinnamon.